there. But for me, and then having the CIO organization, data organization under me is restructuring and rebuilding kind of the data architecture in a way to get to those kind of key metrics and dimensionality that I talked about. So there's a lot of data when I think organizations need to identify what unique data do we have access to and figure out as you think about what models you build and what sort of again, AI capabilities you build, what makes that which you have most unique, and that you can then sort of create, a unique data set that you can then train others.
What is the unique data that we have? That's for every company out there. Well, that might be the first question. How is AI going to change our business? Well, what's our unique data?
And you have
am I overstating?
and you have to identify that pretty quickly and figure out a way to see if you can harness it and structure in a way. Cause many times, again, it goes back to my point with the big bucket of Lego. You can let AI loose on an ERP system, but if it's not well defined, it's not going to give you any insight. But if you structure in a way that it can actually navigate and understand kind of what the dimensions are that are important to you. And so many times data is as much about definition and governance, which is a little bit boring, but it's really important to define what is a customer. Because again, customers can mean many things. And so being able to define those things and tell that AI model or machine learning model, this customer is different than this one because of this, then that model can actually run and be even smarter than if you just let it try to guess that, this person over here is different than this or is the same as that. So it's a lot of the sort of the boring stuff is always the stuff that's painful a little bit, but creates the most value. But I'm excited, and I've always been a fan of the machine learning capabilities that you can build, but it takes some work underneath to really do that, to make it work.